Tak poleciał. Tak, no.
A Class 3 cyclone warning was in force in Mauritius on Monday, allowing about 6 hours of daylight before the occurrence of wind gusts of 120 km, 75 miles per hour. Mauritius, along with other Indian Ocean countries such as Madagascar and African coastal nations like Mozambique, is regularly affected by severe storms and cyclones capable of destroying homes, infrastructure, and crops. The cyclone's classification to intense from very intense for the autonomous island of Rodrigues, which lies 600 km, 373 miles, east of Mauritius. Images from the remote island showed waves crashing to the shore and palm trees swishing in the wind. In an address late on Sunday, Prime Minister Pravind Jugnauth said Freddy is an extremely strong cyclone which is a direct threat to the islands of Mauritius, Rodrigues and Saint Brandon. He urged people to take all necessary precautions, stay home, and remain vigilant. Airports of Mauritius announced that the international airport would be closed from Monday until further notice.